Jaerup Air Fryer is the best air fryer in market. Air Fryer 1750 watts 8QT that roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, reheat. With ClearCook windows, intelligent temperature control air fryer, all-in-one multi-cooker, dishwasher-safe. The Jaerup Air Fryer 1750 watts, a culinary game-changer. In the ever-evolving world of kitchen appliances, the Jaerup Air Fryer 1750 watts has emerged as a culinary game-changer. With its sleek design, efficient cooking capabilities, and numerous features, this kitchen marvel has earned its place as a must-have gadget for both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs. We'll delve into what makes the Jaerup Air Fryer 1750 watts so special and why it's a top choice for health-conscious food enthusiasts. Unleashing the power of air frying. Air frying is all the rage in the culinary world, and for good reason. It allows you to enjoy your favorite fried foods with a fraction of the oil, making your meals healthier without sacrificing taste and texture. The Jaerup Air Fryer 1750 watts is designed to make air frying easier and more convenient than ever before. Impressive cooking capacity. One of the standout features of the Jaerup Air Fryer 1750 watts is its generous cooking capacity. With a 5.8-quart basket, it can accommodate a wide range of dishes, from crispy chicken wings to roasted vegetables. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a group of hungry guests, this air fryer has you covered. The spacious interior allows for even cooking, ensuring that your food is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Powerful performance. At 1750 watts, the Jaerup Air Fryer packs a punch when it comes to performance. It quickly heats up and maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time. Whether you're baking, roasting, or air frying, you can trust this appliance to deliver outstanding results with minimal effort.